guys, it's me, Jessica DeLeon, and welcome back to my channel. So it has been a few weeks since I filmed my last video. I've been so busy with life. I haven't really had the time to film, and honestly, that's made me kind of sad because I've really wanted to film. I am going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. I am unboxing, as you can tell by the title, the Dr. Martens Jadon boots. So if you're interested to see what these boots look like and what they look like on, because I'm going to try them on, of course, then keep on watching. Of course, it's fall, as you all know, and it's time to be breaking out the combat boots. I haven't had a pair of Doc Martens boots in like 22 years. This is the first time that I have bought a pair of Doc Martens boots as an adult with my own money. So I'm really excited to own a pair of Doc Martens boots again. But as you guys know, Doc Martens boots are not cheap. The boots were $179.99 on ASOS is where I purchased these. I will say there was a little bit of delay in shipping because they did ship with FedEx. They were supposed to be delivered on the 6th. It is now the 10th. There was no updates for about 4 days on my shipping. It was stuck in a FedEx distribution center in Houston. And so at that point we thought that the package was lost. But there was movement on the tracking number as of today. But I did have to call ASOS to call FedEx to start an inquiry, so that may have got the ball rolling on trying to find the boots and get them moving through the distribution center to get them delivered to me today. So I'm so excited that they weren't lost in shipping. Aside from all of that, they're here now, and I'm kind of disappointed because the box is not a Doc Martens box. This is some kind of just generic box, and I think maybe because they came from ASOS, so that was a little disappointing. So showing you the box is really not going to be that exciting, but I'll show it to you anyways. Okay, so here is the box that they came in. Like I said, there's like nothing on it except for the description of the boot. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box. Ooh, there we go. Okay, I'm seeing this for almost the first time, just like you guys. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that boot. That is a chunky boot. Wow, this is a monster. It looks gigantic. It looks gigantic. It really does. It looks huge. I got my original shoe size. Crossing my fingers that these are gonna fit. Covers up my entire face. This thing is huge. Just the Doc Martens tag. Nothing too special about that. There's the Doc Martens tab in the back. Give you a good look at these babies. It's the shiny polished, which I was a little hesitant to get because of how easily I think they might be able to scuff and scratch. But oh well. And as you can see, it's just that rubber air sole. And there's the bottom. It does have the zipper here on the side for easy access to put the boot on and off. So it is a UK 7 US 8. And it has the name right there in the, and it's made in China. Here's just the other boot. Same thing, nothing different at all. And yeah. So, the two boots together. really, really, really nice boots. And they're fairly heavy, but it's not like crazy. So yeah. I am going to try these on for you guys and show you what they look like. So I'm gonna lace them up and take all the crap out, and yeah, then we'll try them on. Okay guys, so these are the boots on. They are a little bit bigger. They have a lot of room in them. These are very roomy, but they're also very cute. As you can see, there's a little room in the toe here. But they're not uncomfortable at all. Like initially, they're kind of stiff, but yeah, I'm wearing sweatpants. This is nighttime, so I'm a little bit comfy right now. Feel very sturdy. They're kind of heavy, but not really. Not like too heavy, you know what I mean? To me, they feel and look a little big. Yeah, that's the boots on, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so this is the Doc Marten Jadon boots. Now, as far as sizing goes, I will say that these run a little big. These are a size US 8, as I showed you guys before, a UK 7, and for me, I have to say that they're a little bit on the too big side. They are very stiff when I walk. The reason I know they're too big is because they have that crease where there's that extra space in the toe. Fortunately, on ASOS, they no longer have a 7, so I will just be returning these and getting a size 7 somewhere else. Do watch sizing. I am a true size 8, if that helps anybody, and these are a little bit too spacious on me. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys on this video. Also, it is real leather. If any of you guys are wondering if it's vegan or real, it's actually real polished leather. Now, on the Doc Marten website, as far as the sizing goes, it does say you want to get your normal size. From my experience, I got my normal size and they were still too big. Like, my feet feel like they're swimming in these boots. I have wide feet. My feet aren't like really wide, but they're a little bit more wide than normal. They're definitely not narrow. My suggestion, if you're a true 8 and you have wide feet or wider than average feet, size down. And if that doesn't work, you can always exchange them. I know that's a pain in the butt because it's going to be a pain in the butt for me to have to do it, but I am going to have to do it because they're just too big, and I'm not going to pay almost $200 for shoes that don't fit right. Like, I'm just not going to do it. Some people are okay with that. I'm not. Like, I'm going to be hopefully owning these for a very long time, and I want them to fit correctly. So if you guys like this unboxing, please give it a thumbs up. I have a few more videos coming up soon that I think you guys might enjoy. At least subscribe. That way you can get a notification and see if it's something that you'd be interested in watching. You never know. Subscribe. Hit the bell for post notifications so you can see me again in the future. I will see you in the next video very, very soon. Love you guys. Mwah.